Sure. So now I'm gonna get dirty as
Let's roll.
of the vegetation. So namaste, we are here at Big Rock. We are going on a trail. I cut the boring parts of the highway. We are directly here at Big Rock. All the boys are ready, about to fit my camera and go on an adventure. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Lakshmi. So this is my close friend.
What's up? What's up?
Hope Mother Nature is kind to us. It doesn't rain. So we are starting on our trails. Very excited. Long time since I worked out, so feeling kind of awkward. Let's enjoy the ride. Hi, बसंती बात सुनो बसंती of the vegetation. All is well. Jai Shiv Shankar. So as you can see, the dash is showing off-road mode. It's really fun. People are on the saddle. Look at the location. So Mother Nature. The air is so clean over here, you know. Fun. This roll kick-ass. be a challenge. Smooth like butter. Da da da. Whoa. Smooth like butter. Pop on wheelie, bro. On wheelie, buddy, bro. So we are here at a difficult spot. Which is the smartest path?
Right, sir. Easier.
I'm taking the right
Yeah.
because I'm a bit smart. Yeah. I'll go next. I'll go next. No clutch. No clutch. Front brake. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yeah, sure. So now I'm gonna get dirty as one biker stuck.
Off-road thing, you're supposed to get dirty. If you're not dirty, what is the fun?
I know.
Come on, get dirty.
Come on, Basanti, bag. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Easy peasy. So sorry guys, battery died at the wrong time. So this is what I crossed. Go. Difficult terrain. Sorry, battery died. But I'll show you photos. So we are back after that crazy drop and climb. Whoa, crazy as. So there we go. Wheeling ಹೊಡೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. When I was a kid, I used to dream about bikes, man. You know, see a super bike means I used to go into fantasy, but today I'm living my dream. It's not a super bike, it's a quarter-liter fighter, but I'm happy with what I have, man. That's most important. I need a bath, my bike needs a bath, my jacket and pants need a wash. Oh fuck, the vegetation is hitting me. Oh, let's go. Quite a ride, man, quite a ride. Quite the ride. I need to get more batteries. Come on. Off-roading, you should think ahead. You should be 3 potholes ahead. Draw the line, be smart. be safe and kill the trail, you know. The photographer will come out with some legendary photograph which I'm eagerly waiting for. So come on, this is easy. That was terror. Om Namah Shivaya. I see the papaya. Papaya. Missing it at 60. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Lot of beep sounds you will hear throughout the video. Don't mind. Hey. Hey, Basanti. Baby.